Hey, it's Mustache Implant.
F3. F5. F3 to F5. Oh, F3's both 5. F3.
Dude, I gotta do video camera.
Fuck you.
Taylor? How's that weather? Actually, according to me, the weather is 18 degrees Celsius with a humidity of 88%, pressure 101.2 there. Overcast. I've been getting a lot of comments lately. Actually, I only got one, but it's been like the only comment I've had in a while. And then it was from Supio High, and he was like, "Why don't you talk more about microwaves in your video?" So I'm thinking, this video, I'm gonna dedicate this video to all the microwaves out there.
What the f*** you eat all the Dunkaroos?
Dude,
you know what? I want a Dunkaroo. I want a vanilla Dunkaroo.
there's some chocolate left. Chocolate chip man. Airplane bathrooms scare the living shit out of me. I mean, come on, those things are so goddamn loud. Think about it. You sit a fat guy down on one of those, you hit like a big fat, like with a big ass, like a big mean ass. You sit him down on that, and then you hit that button, he's going down in there with him. It's gonna suck out his fucking lungs, man. They scare the shit out of you. You're tired too. You're taking the red eye. You're going and you're just like... It just basically scares the shit out of you. No pun intended. One thing about raping someone that just bugs the shit out of me. Like, there's raping someone, then there's underage rape. It's one thing to rape someone, okay, yeah, you have a good time and stuff. But underage rape, that's just ridiculous. Like, come on, what's society coming to? This is bullshit. We gotta stop this underage rape. Fucking Mexicans. Why is female masturbation such a big deal? Like, we know you do it, just come on already. It would really suck if, like, my video, like, every time I cut to a new scene, it cut to black, just like, "Hey, it's Mustache Implant, and I'm here to rock your day." I mean, it'd be like a Lady Gaga video.
You know that I love you, boy, hot like Mexico, rejoice that I've gotta choose nothing to lose. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Alejandro, I'm not your babe, I'm not your babe, Fernando, don't wanna...
There's Tired, but then there's Roofy's Tired. And that's just about as dang tired as you can get. You're making this a very awkward scene. If you were a booger, I'd pick you first. So, Supio High left a little nice message for me on my Facebook chat. I took a picture of it to show how ignorant he is. Oh, that's just a picture of today's earlier conversation. Here's the right picture. Yeah, he's an asshole. Man, it's weird to watch me on my own videos.
What am I supposed to say?
Mustache implant.
Mustard implant? Yo, I could use one of those.
No. Mustache implant.
Oh, mustache implant.